have the December Ipsy Glam Bag. I'm late this month because your girl was on vacation, plus life has been chaotic, but I made it around to filming. So first off, it says play, beauty, spread joy, and we're gonna get into all of my goodies. First off, I have to say the bag is so freaking cute. It's purple, which I absolutely love, and then we have these little red glitter bows all over it. I just feel like this is so freaking cute. I would definitely like fill little things in here and like gift this to somebody. It's just so freaking cute. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump in. First, we have the Bliss Cool With It Cooling Gel Eye Mask. You guys know I use these every morning and absolutely love wearing under eye mask. This one helps with puffiness and cooling underneath the eyes. It says once open, use it within 1 to 2 hours. So there's 2 packs and 2 patches each of these. So this right here, if it was the full version, it would be $20. This is a deluxe sample. Really nice. I love me a good under eye little mask. Next, we have the Genza Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. And this right here is worth $37. The full size, this is a little deluxe size. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Okay, so it has like a cream kind of color to it, and then it blends and gives like a slight glow to it. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So that's what it looks like. And then once you blend it blends in with my skin tone really nicely and just gives a slight glow, like a very subtle glow. Doesn't smell like anything, so we'll see. It just says a lightweight satin sheen formula that creates an invisible skin perfecting finish. So it says that you can wear this alone or under makeup, so hopefully like it just kind of evens out your skin tone. So maybe for like no makeup days, I could wear this with my SPF. Next, we have Rose Ink, which I have not used this brand at all. And this is their Lash Lift Serum Mascara in Ultra Black. It says it has serum infused mascara to help lift, lengthen, define lashes. And it's supposed to give you like lashes that are bolder and thicker. This is $15. It's a little travel size one. I'm not gonna open it because I have way too many mascaras open right now, so I will be trying it out and see how I like it. I am somebody who loves a good tubing mascara or just something that like comes off easily. I feel like tubing mascaras are game changers. Next, we have the Ellis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. This is a little mini cleanser. This is worth $19. I do really like Elemis's skincare, the stuff that I've tried. And this is a gel cleanser, which is really nice because I travel a lot throughout the year, and I feel like these little travel size are perfect for me to take whether I'm going on a cruise or going on an airplane. And then last, we have the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm Gloss in Rose. This is a little deluxe sample. I want to say I already own this. Don't I own this? Yeah, so I already own the full size of this. I love how plump and like juicy this is on the lips. I think this is actually the same color if I'm not mistaken. I don't see the color on my original one, but I feel like they look almost identical. Yeah, this is literally the same shade, so I'm going to be gifting this forward. I actually picked this as my choice just because I love this formula, but I got the color that I already own. So I'm going to be gifting that forward. Overall, I really like this bag. I feel like everything in here is something that I'm going to keep, which does a lot for me because I a lot of times give stuff away. This I'm going to give to my mom just because it's the same shade that I already have in a full size. But if it had been a different shade, I would have kept it. And then everything else is something I'm going to try. The little cleanser, the primer, even the little mini mascara. and the eye patches. So overall, this one was a good bag for me. Anytime that I keep everything or really enjoy like what came, I feel like that is a win. I always want to have like at least 4 of the 5 products be something that I really enjoy. So this one is a win for me. Let me know what your choice was this month. What did you get? What did you like? What you didn't like? I'd love to hear from you down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, I'd love to have you subscribe. I have socials down below. You could like, comment, share, hype this video. It really helps my channel a lot. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.